guys, welcome to another video, and today me and my sister will be gifting each other. My sister just gifted me a few gifts. I'm alright with that. So we're going to be gifting each other. Sorry about all the background noises. I'm downstairs because my laptop needs charging. So Jordan, I'm going to open my gifts what you gifted me. She gifted me 5 gifts, which I'm happy about. So I'm going to start from right at the bottom.
Not that good.
Thank you. So there. Thank you again. It's a unicorn horn.
Why are you doing?
Thank you again. It's a red eagle hat.
Why are
Thank you
you
again. I'm keeping them, Jordan.
Why
It's a heart, look
you
it.
bin?
That bin's the Jamagram. Milo balloon. Thank you. That's so nice of you. Okay, so I'll be gifting my sister now. You can't look.
Now you have to get me 5.
Okay, so I'm going to gift her 5 things. I'm going to give her this. Enjoy. Not an... There. Thank you. Don't look. No. Don't look. How many have I given you? 3. 2 more. Don't look. That. Last one. That's me, my old account. So this is looking. That's another one. They're not that good, but they're good. Open them. So she's gonna open them. A glove. These are all my masterpieces, except one. Which one is it? Which one is it? I think it's... I might have traded it away, you know. Harvey gave me this one.
Thank you.
I'm only joking about this, Harvey. No, they're all just made by me.
Thank you.
Sheldon, come! Hold on, I'll get my sister. My sister was trying to do something on my Animal Jam account, but she logged me out. So, she gifted me, I think. Yep, she gifted... You still only gifted me 4. Wait, no, don't bother, you gifted me 5. Okay, guys. So, let me go to my den. Are you there? So go to your den and I'm going to open these. Binoculars, they're not good, but thank
That's
you.
for adventure.
Silver glove, thank you. My item. Cartoon glove, okay. Wearing shoes. And scary elf bracelets. So guys, that is the end of the video.
Bye.
Bye. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.